Today, for the second video in a row, I get to do a concept that was instrumental in deciding that I wanted to do this project, to make this channel, which was coding problems. Just finding new coding problems that I didn't know about, learning enough about them to explain them to you, basically, which I've always thought was very interesting. So the concept of this video is the Heisenbug problem, which is basically errors that are errors when you're not looking at them, but when you are looking at them and when you are searching for them, trying to fix them, they suddenly disappear or they start acting perfectly normal. It's kind of like superposition from quantum mechanics. It does all sort of weird things when you're not looking, and then when you start looking, suddenly starts acting totally normal. So yeah, it's very annoying, but there are ways to fix it. For example, the first one, and I have to check that I'm saying this right, it's asynchronous logging. Asynchronous logging is basically, instead of when you're testing an error, printing your timestamp for something so that you kind of know where you are, you save it in the background, which when it's a time problem which is hiding the error, then it's just just easier, but it doesn't always work. So there are other solutions. For example, you can restructure the code so that it is so that you remove the deterministic element. You can do this by adding a randomness to the code, like the code should sleep for a certain amount of random seconds and then go on. So this is a way of removing deterministic. And then there is finally tracking software, which basically just tracks certain elements of your code, tracks where in your code you are at, so that but it's separate from your code. So for example, you could like write a debug.write line or write a login print, but that's inside your code, whereas this software is separate from it. So that's very convenient. Yeah, that's the three solutions, and that is the Heisenbug problem. Thank you.